Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of portable productivity with a nifty little gadget, the ProtoArc Foldable Compact Bluetooth Keyboard, XK01 Mini Portable Keyboard with number pad. Now, this keyboard caught our eye for its compact design and promise of seamless connectivity. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So, what makes this keyboard stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, it's designed to be incredibly portable. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who likes to work on the go, this keyboard is built to tag along wherever you roam. Its tri-fold design means it can easily slip into your bag or pocket without weighing you down. Plus, it comes with a handy travel carry bag, so you can keep it protected while you're on the move. But the real magic happens when we talk about connectivity. This keyboard doesn't just sync up to one device, it can handle up to 3 simultaneously. Whether you're working on your iPad, smartphone, or laptop, switching between devices is a breeze. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. Despite its compact size, the keys on this keyboard are surprisingly responsive and quiet. The scissor switch mechanism ensures that each keystroke feels satisfying, whether you're typing up a quick email or crunching numbers on the integrated number pad. And here's another thing that impressed us, the battery life. With just a 2 to 3 hour charge, you get up to 150 plus days of standby time or 30 days of continuous use. Plus, it charges via USB-C, so you can power up quickly and conveniently. Now, let's talk durability. This keyboard may be small, but it's mighty. Constructed from durable ABS plus PC material and featuring innovative seamless hinges, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. So, whether you're typing away at your favorite coffee shop or working from the comfort of your home office, this keyboard is up to the task. So, there you have it. The ProtoArc Foldable Compact Bluetooth Keyboard, XK01 Mini Portable Keyboard with number pad. With its compact design, multi-device connectivity, and impressive battery life, it's the perfect companion for anyone who needs to stay productive on the go. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you're interested in picking up one of these keyboards for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy typing!